Good morning, students. So last class we have studied about perimeter. Okay, so perimeter means what? Boundary. Length of the boundary. Okay, so we have studied about what is boundary, means what is perimeter, and how we are using in our day-to-day life about this perimeter. Means everywhere we are using the perimeter where we have to find out the length of the boundary of a closed figure. So in a shape, in a closed shape there is always boundary. So look at here, so many closed shapes are given. Okay, and every shape has boundary because where it have started, it have ended. So it has boundary. So we need boundary. We need boundary. So that we can find out the perimeter. Okay, so people can use for making compound wall or fencing. Okay, but that is about boundary. But what about the inner area? Okay, this interior area. What about this interior area? Do we need this interior area? हमको interior area दरकार कि नहीं? Yes, we are needing, because if this is a field, मानु कि एटा गोटे field. Okay, so एटी चाष होउची. चाष कोउठी हबो? भितरे हबो ना? थोड़ी ना boundary. Boundary is for going. Okay, if it is a boundary, you can एटी कोन हबो तमरो हिडो हबो. हिडो ऊपर तमे चालिबो. किंतु जोटी फार्मिंग हुए, कोड भितरे फार्मिंग हुए. So this is what? This interior portion is what? Area. Okay, and this has a closed surface. This is a closed and this has a boundary. So the amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure is called is area. Means this surface which is closed, which is enclosed by a closed figure. So look at here, all are closed figure. If I'll make a thing like this, is this area? No. Why? Because it is not closed. It is closed here. If I'll make it close, then this become a area. This surface become area. A surface कौन हिजबो? Area हिजबो. So area is what? The amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure. Okay. Closed figure जो surface enclosed ହେଇଥିବ ତାକୁ ଆମେ କଣ କହିବା? Area. So today we'll study about area. How to find out the area, what is area, how to find out area, okay, and how we'll find out the area of different figures. So look at here, to find the area of any irregular closed figure, we can put them on a graph paper. What we'll do? We have used graph paper in last class, means in last chapter. Okay, there we have used the bar graph to make diagram. Okay, bar graph. So that graph paper you will use here. Okay, to find out area. So any irregular closed figure, irregular, okay, means that sides or shapes, okay, sides are not have same length, okay, and same shape. So what we can use? The graph paper with the square of 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. Then estimate the area of the squares covering the figure. So I am showing you again the graph paper. So look at here. So this graph paper has what? If I'll zoom it, look at here. Okay, so I am zooming. So look at here. This portion. This is 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. This is what? 1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. This is also 1 centimeter. This is also 1 centimeter. So this graph paper has area 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. You can write this 1 square centimeter. Okay. So look at here. Graph paper have blocks like this everywhere. ସବୁଆଡେ ଏମିତିଆ blocks ଅଛି. By using these blocks, we can find out the area. So let's see. Okay, Again I am zooming in. Okay, so let's see. So then estimate the area of squares covered by the figure. Figure जेतिकी area जेतिकी square cover करथुबो ताको. Figure जदि 4टा square. Okay, so look at here. I am making a figure. And this is a figure of a square. Okay, so how much square it has covered? If I'll zoom it, okay, so look at here. How many squares are there? 1, 2, 3. So 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So area of this one is what? 4 square centimeter or 4 square unit also. Instead of centimeter, you can write unit also. Okay, either it is 4 square centimeter or 4 square unit. So this is a figure we have kept. Okay, and inside it, this is the surface. And here how many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why it is 4 square centimeter, or either you can write 4 square unit. Okay. So let's see what is next given. So look at the squares enclosed by the figure. Some of them are completely enclosed, some half, okay, and some less than half, and some more than half. Okay, but here what you have found, all have enclosed. Okay, full squares are there. But if I'll see on this, okay, so look at here. If I'll see this figure, so look at this figure. If I am, what I am doing? I am making the sets. So look at here. Here, if you will see the border, okay, if I'll make the border, okay, so that you can see properly. So look at here. Okay, so look at here. Some have more than half, some are covering the, okay, so some are enclosed, some squares are half, more than half enclosed. Here look, this square is more than half enclosed, but here less than half enclosed. This square, some squares are fully enclosed. Look at here, this square is fully enclosed. Okay, some squares are less than half enclosed. Look at here, it is less than half enclosed. Okay, it is figure ta कम जगह नहीं ची a square, and some squares are half. ये कौन a portion, a square half portion नहीं ची. By this we can find out that the squares which is half filled, which is full filled, which is more than half filled, which is less than half filled, so that we can find out the area. Okay. So let's see. So the area is the number of centimeter squares that are needed to cover it. So how many centimeter squares we'll get, means we'll count how many centimeter squares, so we can get the area. But there is a small problem. Problem is what? Square does not always fit exactly into the area you measure. We get over this difficulty by adopting a convention. Okay, so we are not getting always fully filled square. So बड़े fully filled square नहीं. एटी देखो square more than half जाइए. एटी पूरा half पर्यंत cover है. एटी half रू less cover है. So less than half, half and more than half cover है. बहुत जगह रे side रे कौन है fully cover है. What will do for this? So the area of one full square is taken as 1 square unit. जोड़ा पूरा total square को cover करची ताको हमें कितना नेबा? We'll take it as 1 square unit. Okay, then ignore the portions area that are less than half. जो माने less than half थे देखो ए area कौन है जी ए square that is less than half, so ignore it means cut, don't count it. Here we can see, look at here, in this square it is less than half, so ignore it. Look at about this square. If you are making the square, look at here, it is less than half, that's why ignore. Here also it is less than half, so that's why ignore. Okay, and if more than half of a square is in the region, just count as one square. जो जगह more than half थिबो ताको कोन करिवो, ताको count करिवो 1. So look at here, in this square it is more than half, एटा more than half, so count it as 1 square unit. याको भी 1 square unit होइबो. So look at here, look at about this square, a square को देखो. So this is also more than half, ताको कोन कहिबो, that is also 1 square unit. So like this you can find out. Okay, so look at here, look at about this square, this is also more than half, this is not fully filled but this is more than half, this is also counted as 1 square unit. Next is what, if exactly half of the square is counted, take it as half square unit. जति exactly कौन थिबो, half थिबो. Okay, look at here, this is, okay, this portion, this is exactly half, that's why what you count as half square unit. Okay, so look at here, this one also, this is what, exactly half, you can take as half square unit. So such a convention gives a fair estimate of desired area. तापरे कौन करिवो, तमे area बाहर करिवो. So let's find out. Okay, so here given, find the area of the shape shown in figure. Okay, so what you will do, you will find out the covered area, number, area estimate, square unit. So which covered area you will find? Fully filled squares, half filled squares, more than half filled squares, less than half filled squares. So first picture is what? First picture is this. So first we will find fully filled square. So look at here, fully filled square is 1. Okay, so from above we'll see this is 1. Okay, then this is 2, then this is 3, then this is 4, then 5, 6, then 7, 8, 9, then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, then this one is 15, 16, 17. Okay, then this much only 17 fully filled square. So you'll write how much number? 17. Area estimate in square unit, 17 square unit. Okay, next is half filled square. Half filled square is how much? Half is, this is half, 1. Okay, this is second, 2. Okay, half filled square, then anywhere half filled square? No. So how many half filled squares are there? 2. So 2 half filled squares. So what you will write? Here you will write 2 into half. Okay, no need of writing square unit, already square unit is given, only 17, 2 into half. Next, more than half filled. More than half filled is what? More than, this one is more than half filled. From above we will see 1, 2, then 3. I am writing more than 3. Okay, then this is more than half filled, 4. Okay, then this is more than half filled 5. Okay, so this is also more than half filled 6, then 7, then 8. So how many more than half filled? I have written mm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll write 8. 8 half filled means more than half filled means total 8 square unit. Next, less than half filled. We'll see less than half filled. This one less than, I'll write L. 1, this is 2. Okay, then here also this one is less than half filled. Okay, this one 3. Then this is also less than half filled 4. Then okay, then here this is less than half filled 5. This is less than half filled 6. Okay, and this square is also less than half filled 7. So how many less than square filled? Sorry, less than half filled square 7. Means you will ignore. What you will write? Ignore means 0. Now we will find out the total area. Total area is how much? 17. 2 into half is how much? 1. Because 2 and 2 it will cut. 17 plus 1 plus 8 plus 0. You can write it as what you can write? 17 square unit. Okay. Again I am cutting it, writing total area equal to how much you will write? 17 square unit plus 1 square unit plus 8 square unit plus 0 square unit. So how much you will get? 17 plus 1, 18, 18 plus 8, 26, 26 square unit. So the area of this figure is how much? 26 square unit. Okay. Next we'll see another one example. So look at here. Here I have taken the figure of what? Figure of a. This is the figure of a what? Leaf. So we can find out. Look, this is an irregular figure. That's why we can find out the area of this irregular figure by drawing it in a graph. I have drawn in a graph paper so that we can find out. Like the previous how we have found out, like that we will find out the area of this figure. So for this, first we have made a what? First we have prepared a what area? This is a table. Here covered area, number and area estimated, that is in square units. We'll write fully filled squares, half filled square, more than half filled square, less than half filled square. So let's see. Look at here. So first is fully filled square. So look at here. Fully filled square, we'll mark it. Okay. This is fully filled square. 2. Okay. Then 3, 4. I am marking so that it would be visible, more visible. Okay, I am not zooming. Sorry, this is not fully filled square. Okay, fully filled square, I will write F. Okay, F. Okay, this is not fully filled square. Then this is one fully filled square. F. Or you can make any sign. Okay, F. Okay, so this is the boundary. Then I'll first mark it, then I'll write. Okay, this much. So this much I have found fully filled square. Okay, so now I'll count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how many fully filled square? 14. So square unit is what? 14 square unit. Next half filled square. Let's see half filled square. So half filled square is this one half filled square H, this one half filled square H. Okay, then this is half filled square H, then I'll see, yeah, this is half filled square, okay, H, and this is also half filled square, sorry, this is H, okay. So how many half filled square I find? H, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many half filled square? 5. So what will write? 5. What will write? 5 into 1 by 2. Okay, so this is what? 5 by 2. Next is more than half filled squares. So let's find out more than half filled square. That is 1 m, 2 m, this is more than half filled, 3, this is also more than half filled, 4, this is more than half filled, then this is more than half filled, m, this is more than half filled, okay, m, because here gap is there, then this is more than half filled, okay. So how many more than half filled? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 more than half filled. So we'll write 8 more than half filled. More than half filled means 1 more than half filled is 1 square unit. So 8 more than half filled means 8 square units. Next we'll see less than half filled. Okay. So less than half filled we'll see 1, 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7. So 7 less than half filled. We'll write 7. Less than half filled means ignore it, 0. So look, we have found out this one. So what we'll do? We'll find out the total area equal to 14 square unit plus 5 by 2 square unit plus 8 square unit. So it is how much? So how much we got? We got, if we'll add this, how much we'll got? 24.5 square unit. So this is the area of this figure. Okay, so this is about today's class. So today's class about area. I hope you have understood. Thank you.